Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome to the world of extreme relaxation yoga. Welcome back for the third tutorial of pranayama. Okay, so the specific technique we're going to focus on today is called Chandra Nadi Pranayama. Chandra means moon, Nari means channel, and pranayama means the control of life force around the body and mind. Okay, so in this specific technique, we're going to come onto our knees, sit back, sit into Vajrasana. So sitting on your knees and putting your glutes onto your heels. Bring your hands together this way. Okay, so remember, Chandra Nadi is a very ancient tool to reduce stress, anxieties, controlling blood sugar, also regulating blood sugars within the body, and lowering high blood pressure as well. Okay, so what we're going to do in this one, with your left finger, you're going to bring your index finger, thumb together and place that onto your left knee. Bring your right hand in the air. Okay, place your right thumb onto your right nostril. Index finger, large finger at the top, elbow down. So you're going to breathe deep into your left nostril. Right into the lungs. A ratio of 5 seconds. And then breathe out of your lungs, out of your left nostril. So breathe in. Then breathe out through your left nostril. Keep your mind really relaxed. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, so one more time, breathe in. And then breathe out through your left nostril. Okay, so remember yogis, this technique is called Chandra Nadi Pranayama. Chandra means moon, so the left side of the body represents a moon in yoga, Hatha yoga, and the right side of the body represents the sun, which is Surya. So this is Chandra and this is Surya. So this technique is exceptionally good for people who have type 2 diabetes. Okay, so bring your hands together. You're going to do this for at least 5 minutes a day on an empty stomach. And keep your mind really focused, keep your eyes really focused when you do this technique. Also, you can follow me on Instagram on Extreme Relaxation, Facebook on Extreme Relaxation, also LinkedIn and Google Plus under Extreme Relaxation. Okay, yogis, thank you very much. Namaste.